I want to welcome you to this press briefing on police investigation of foreigner and subversive element for attempted regime change and orchestrated violence in Nigeria. The Nigeria Police Force has launched a comprehensive investigation into the activities of a foreign national and subversive element plotting to undermine the democratically elected government in Nigeria through unconstitutional regime change and orchestrating violence across the country. Following extensive intelligence gathering and collaboration with other security agencies, 10 suspects have been apprehended who received substantial financial backing from foreign sources to destabilize the country. Preliminary findings suggest the orchestrated and funded violent protests, disseminated false information, and engaged in other unlawful activities to create anarchy and justify their illegal plots to overthrow the democratically elected government. Investigations have identified a foreign mercenary, Andrew Wayne, also known as Andrew Povich or Drew Povey. The man has many identities. A British national who built a network of sleeper cells to topple the government and plunge the nation into chaos. He rented a space at the Labour House in Abuja for an Iver Valley bookshop and established Stars of Nation schools as a cover for his subversive activities. Documentary evidence and confessions revealed that Andrew Wayne issued directives, monitored progress, and provided finance and operational guidance to achieve unconstitutional regime change in Nigeria. He mobilized and deployed several billions of naira to his Nigerian collaborators, urging them to mobilize the public to violently storm police facilities and military barracks, anticipating a bloodbath that will instigate international condemnation of the Nigerian government. These acts are in clear violation of the Terrorism Prevention Act of 2011 and other relevant laws of this country. Since the commencement of investigations, Andrew Wayne has fled the country. He and one of his local coordinators, one Lucky Ehis Obinya, have accordingly been declared wanted, and global hunting for them has commenced in connection with this investigation. The 10 other suspects already apprehended have been arraigned before a competent court of law today, Monday, September 2, 2024, for criminal conspiracy, terrorism financing, treasonable felony, subversion, and cybercrime. These suspects include Angel Love Innocent female, Opalua Eleojo Simon male, Michael Tobiloba Adaramoye A.K. Lenny male, Sulaiman Yakubu male, Buhari Lawal male, Musil Sadiq male, Abayomi Adeyemi male, Abdusalam Zubairu male, Nuruddin Amis male, and Bashir Bello male. These acts, like I said earlier on, are in clear violation of the Terrorism Prevention Act of 2011 and other relevant laws of this country. Meanwhile, the Inspector General of Police of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, IGP Kayode Adeolu Egbetokun, PAD, NPM, while condemning the activities of the group, has since activated the Interpol tools and other global policing networks to support ongoing domestic investigations aimed at locating and apprehending the suspects at large. The IGP assures the general public that the force will leave no stone unturned in dealing with and bringing to deserved justice any individual or group threatening our national security and peace or promoting any movement with the motive of truncating our democratic government through unconstitutional means. We recognize and remain committed to protecting citizens' constitutional guaranteed fundamental and democratic rights to peaceful assembly and free expression. However, we advise citizens to be wary of subversive elements who weaponize and commercialize protests for personal, financial, and ideological benefits. Contrary to disinformation, the invitation extended to certain individuals within Nigerian Labour Congress leadership has nothing to do with rights advocacy and activities of the union leadership, but is aimed at clearing the relationship between the individuals and Andrew Wayne, who, in addition to plotting unconstitutional regime change, is also financing terrorism in Nigeria. Following the interaction between the police investigation team and the NLC president, there is now a clearer understanding of the focus of the ongoing police investigation and the depth of Andrew Wayne's subversive network and activities. No nation will tolerate attempts by foreign elements to interfere in its internal affairs, threaten national security, and organize and fund local elements to instigate uprisings aimed at destabilizing the country and engendering violent and unconstitutional regime change. The Inspector General of Police appeals for the cooperation and support of all law-abiding citizens in the ongoing investigation. He assures anyone with information leading to the arrest of any of the suspects declared wanted will be appreciated and rewarded handsomely. Long live the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
La 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 la.